Carbine Extended Profile Cylinders are designed to meet the growing demand for flexibility in modern architectural and custom door systems. The range provides 80mm, 90mm, 100mm, 110mm and 120mm lengths, with offset variations including 35 to 45, 35 to 55, 35 to 65, 45 to 45, 40 to 50, 40 to 60, 40 to 70, 40 to 80, 50 to 50, 55 to 55 and 60 to 60. This broad selection ensures a perfect fit for doors of varying thickness. Each cylinder is built using genuine Carbine CPF barrels, ensuring consistency with our proven profile cylinder system. The design incorporates a fixed cam action for reliable operation, with tri-lock cams available to provide added compatibility across a wider range of hardware applications. An internal strengthening brace adds structural integrity across the extended body, ensuring long-term performance and resistance to torsional stress. Each model features a C4 5-pin keyway and includes a spacer ring that allows conversion to 6-pin or restricted systems using the last 5 cuts of the key. This compatibility with restricted keying systems provides greater control and flexibility. A key feature of the range is the anti-panic function, allowing keys to be used from both sides of the cylinder simultaneously, providing added safety, convenience, and peace of mind. Available in satin chrome, satin brass, matte black, and chrome plate finishes, the Extended Profile Cylinder range complements a wide variety of architectural hardware and design styles. Engineered for strength, adaptability, and seamless installation, Carbine Extended Profile Cylinders deliver a complete solution for modern door hardware needs, designed for professionals who demand precision and reliability.